Hey everybody, welcome back. First video was a little long, so we're going to try to pick up the pace a little bit here. So when we left off, we had welcome to my chat room. We're just rendering the basic HTML page. So let's go ahead and kick it up a notch here. Let's see, HTML, and I got this Bootstrap plugin here. So go ahead and render that. Let's see. Let's add a couple of things here. Codelife.io for the title, chat. Perfect. Style sheet, use alpha. Let me make this a little bigger here so you guys can see what's going on. So alpha 6 is the latest out. We got, nothing to worry about. Then let's see, what else? Then we're going to include another style sheet here. Let's see, link. And it will be to, remember how we created this public directory here? So we need to create a new folder called CSS. I'll go new file. And we'll say index.css. And also, while we're in here, let's create another one for JavaScript. And for that one, call it chat.js. Boom. All right, there we go. We got those files created. Let's get back over to our HTML page. So now what we can do is, you remember we did the path.join here in the public directory. So we have this public directory where we can now reference these files here. So now we can say css/index.css, and that will reference this file here that we have. Perfect. Let's see. We have some script tags we want to include in the footer here, which we have some of them. Oop. So I'm just going to paste them in here because I have them already. So the first one including is some jQuery. Then we're including this tether library. We're not using it, but just so it doesn't throw any errors in the console, because it's required by Bootstrap. Here we actually are requiring the JavaScript for the Bootstrap framework. And then we have here, we're actually importing Socketio. This is importing it from our node modules, which we installed at the beginning of the tutorial. And then you can see this is from our public directory, /javascript/chat.js. Perfect. So that's looking good. So now I'm just going to paste the rest of the content in, because it's just kind of HTML for you here. There's nothing you guys probably don't already know. So all we're doing is we div with a classic container. It's a Bootstrap thing. Just kind of contains all your code. Then we say new row. We're going to give an h2 tag for the title. Then we have an input. This is where we're going to put our name in here. So I have a placeholder, enter your name. And then there's a little button to submit your name, so you can let people know what your name is before you jump into the chat. Then we have the actual chat window, and here's the messages. And in here, we're actually going to be rendering all our different chat messages as they appear on screen. Then at the bottom, below the chat window, we have chat input. So this is where you'll actually submit your chat message, a little submit button. And then just a little tag for my website here, codelife.io. So that's that. So if I go back here and I run npm start, some errors here. Let's see. Saying the port is already in use. How could that be? Oh, so I got some other side projects I'm working on here. Try that again. User connected is already on the web page here. Pull it up. Boom. So not really pretty, but you can see kind of where it's going. So what we'll do here. So I'll go ahead and add in that CSS. which you can find in the bottom, in the description below. I've actually posted a link to the GitHub page so you can see it. Let's see, copy this in. Perfect. Refresh. So you can see it's a little bit better. I feel like we're still missing something here. Let's see, let's make sure. Let me double check something real quick. I had a bad link up there. I must have, that's when I got that error message popping up here. I must have added this link wrong here. But now it's working. So now you can see, here's our basic style. We can type our name in here, type our chat message here, and all our messages will show up in the middle here. So pretty sweet so far. So I think that's about it for this one. I think in the next tutorial, we'll actually go ahead and wire up the chat.js. So I'll see you guys in a bit.